How to chat in Terraria. So if you're on PC, the default key is simply the enter key. So press it once, then it will open the chat window, as you can see right here at the bottom. And then just simply type your message. So let's say I want to say hello, then press enter again to send it, just like that. As you can see, you will see your username or your in-game name just beside your message, just like that. But for mobile users, you just simply need to look for the chat bubble icon on your screen overlay. And on console, you usually need to check your controller settings to map a button for chat or access it through the pause menu. So what you can do with this is just basically open your chat, but first make sure to access your inventory. So what this does is item linking. So open up your chat, hold down the Alt key and click an item in your inventory. So let's say I want to click on my Zenith right here. And as you can see, it has linked it with the chat right there. And if I click on enter, as you can see, they can see it just like that. So let's say I also want to put my blocks and share it with my party members, just like so. And as you can see, I can now show them what items are in my inventory. So I can do this multiple times, just like that. So that's basically one of the ways you can use your chat box. And that is how you basically chat in Terraria.